Hi, 你好 Welcome to Learn Chinese with David. Today we continue the origin of Chinese character. This character, 猫 cat. This is a simplified form, and this is a traditional form. In the traditional form, the radical of 猫 is 暴类, read as 智. This is 猫. To look out right. 猫. In simplified version, this becomes the dog radical. 猫. In dog radical is copy something. The spine like the dog spine. This part is curve. The spine, the backbone. 猫. Radical gives the hint of the meaning. Something like the root words in English. It's called 反犬旁. 反犬旁. 狗. 猫 cat. 小猫 small cat kitten 小猫。猫头鹰 大熊猫 big panda. 猫头鹰 is a cat head eagle. Something look like eagle. So 猫头鹰 is the O. 猫头鹰。猫叫小猫叫小猫 mewing 小猫叫。Many students call the cat mew. No, should be 猫。猫步 look the cat work. Look the cat work. 猫步走猫步。夜猫子 What happened to this cat? 夜猫子 means people who stay quite late at night, like me. 夜猫子。流浪猫流浪 wandering. 流浪猫 the street cats. No home, just wandering on the street. 流浪猫。Wales cat. 招财猫招 to call. 招财 to call the whales, to attract the whales. But don't 招灾 灾 means disaster. 招财猫招财招灾。Here's the 30% off coupon. You can apply this coupon code in edu.biz/shop. Even the course is under promotion, you will get 30% off extra. Take it. If you need the one-to-one skipping lesson, our teachers are waiting for you. All course design are using the same method you are looking now. Use a PowerPoint to design in very detail, give the best English translation possible. And all course cover from very beginning to very high end. Our course design is FY1 to FY6. FY1, FY6 stand for the Foreigner Year 1. It's a course for foreigners to learn Chinese. And K1 to K3, Kindergarten, Year 1 to Year 3 for the children from 3 years old to 6 years old. And our course also designed for the examinations for the foreigner, like the HSK, from level 1 to level 6. HSK stands for 汉语水平考试, means Chinese Proficiency Test. It's a test done by Chinese government, especially for the foreigner to sit for Chinese exam, to test your level of Chinese. And we also have many courses for the GCSE, IGCSE, AS, O level, A level, no, they call A1 or A2. the British exam, and also international Chinese exam like IB. IB stand level, SL, and IB HL, the high level, and also the American course, SAT and AP Chinese. See you.